make sure watch this video to the end, the entire video, so as you understand everything on how I set and I started trade, the booster calls and everything, so as you understand when you have the robot or you don't have the robot, you want the robot, and if you get a robot you can do such thing like this. Okay, and this is how these trades are going, and you just make sure you watch the entire video and then check out the way I set the robot. I plug the robot and I check and do some robot do analysis, and that's it, such things. And okay, so make sure you watch it to the end, then everything is going to be on your side. My numbers, when you need any assistance, just go to description. There is my WhatsApp number and everything. So when you go on watching, you will see how I set everything. So make sure if you like the video, you subscribe, you share and comment, and everything will be seen, and God bless you. So make sure watch. Let's see everything up to the end. Yep. Yes, my people, welcome to Rich Man with Chris. The way we're starting, always we're just showing you. We're just starting now, like the way we see it, that we're starting like this one. In zero profit, like the one, as you can see. We are just in loss, in loss, but you just be there and watch this to the end, so as everything. I think you see the way we set it on the PC and everything, how everything is going there, and then watch to the end so as you understand whether we get a profit or get a loss, whether this bot is bad for you to have it so as you can make money, or whether this bot, so as when you complete the video you can decide what kind of bot can you have. So this is how everything starts here, and it is just 34 because the balance is 70, and the pairs are at least many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs, and the lot size which is going there is now in 0.1, only 0.1 lot size, and just like the other way. And let's see the chart. The chart is that one, and that is how everything is there. And so let us wait and check out and see what is going to happen inside here, as we are going to do and see everything, and everything is going to be done, and then we check and combine everything to see what is going to happen inside. Okay, thank you. This trade, which goes again low sometimes, the way we started, and now it's just, we are just running about 42 in profit, like the way you see it. And it is Tinga Tinga Robot, so always this robot need patience and understanding on how to use it. And when you are patient and you understand how you use this robot, then you always must be profitable. That's why I always just want to show you from the beginning of the trade. That's why I always showing you from the beginning. I'm not afraid that if you see the losses are the part of trading. That's why I show you from the beginning, and the patience is be there and how it is. And this all the trades, the way you see it as we placed it from that time. You can check the time and the date, and the pairs were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, this is how it is, and this is how everything is going there, and we're just running like 50 like that one. So when I show you all these details, you have to understand. When you have a robot, you have to understand patience and how to use it. After you understand, you have to make money. This is how everything is going inside here, and this is how it is. Okay, the transparency I show you here every time. So if you have any question or any other assistance, you just go to description. There is my number, WhatsApp number there, and there is a link for Facebook page, and you can go and follow there. And we are here. Thank you for coming, and let's watch this to the end so as we can check which is going to be what we want to see. Okay, so I love you so much. Let's watch and see what is going to happen for us. This is called the Tinga Tinga Robot, and the Tinga Tinga Robot. And also I will also go and start the Mansa Musa again, from the start again, so as you can understand everything, how everything is going here. Because when someone's by Tinga Tinga Robot and see when also Mansa Musa, I think that all these robots are profitable. It is just a matter of understanding how do you want to trade, what do you want to trade, how do you want to trade, how do you want to go, patient. But if you just want to make just 1 minute to make a million, oh my god, there is nothing like that. You have to understand everything. When you understand, you make money. When you don't understand, you make noise. So it is up to you to decide, and also to know what you are, because it is your heart. So you are the one to understand everything. You're the one to understand everything on your heart. So let's see up to the end. Like this one, continuously. Yeah, breathing in and out, and it is Tinga Tinga Robot, like the way you see it. My guys, understanding is very something good. If somebody don't understand you, just leave it to decide what he decide with his heart or her heart. But these things are very profitable, like the way you have to ask your question, why you're not profitable and others are profitable. The difference is there is understanding, and this is how everything is going here. Everything is going here, like the way you see it. Is there any editing? And this is the chart. And everything is that way. So if you believe, it is up to you. If you don't believe, it is up to you. Let's just us going on with this, like the way it is. I think you watch the entire video and see how everything is ongoing, from zero, from negative, from whatever. But fortunately, it is this way. This is how everything is going. If you believe it, believe it. If you believe the bot, believe it. If you want to make money, make money. Yeah, my guys. Yes, my guys. This is how it is. Nothing to say more, but I want just to show you everything is like the way you see it. Everything is like the way you see it, my guys. Oh my God. Everything is that way. The way you see it, it is how it is. Yeah. So let's still watch it. And you have to understand. You have to make money. Yeah, like this one. It is an opportunity to you, to anybody, everywhere in this world. Everywhere. Yep. Let's still watch it. And it is Tinga Tinga Robot. If you're interested, there is a number of WhatsApp number in description. Welcome to inbox. And if you're interested, we can do something which you're interested to, and we boom it like the way you see it. Yeah, this is how everything going on. When you believe this, patient and understand, you have to make money. Yeah, and this is how everything is going, and it's live. Yeah, this is how everything is going. So let's see. Making 120, it is something big. Yeah, to everyone. I think you can see at your own. And this all trades will start with $150 yesterday. I showed the video there from 159. From 159, we now in 496. Okay, so you have to understand all these things. We start with 159, then we close the order, then we open the bot, open other orders again today. Okay, so we're just growing this capital to the maximum. So let's go and watch everything to the maximum, and let's watch it to the maximum. My guys, understanding is everything.